Alright guys, so I'm sorry about that last part of this video. My tablet ran out of storage, and yeah, so anyways, we're gonna start back up right where we left off, right here at in my brother's room, my youngest brother's room. Just going over his alarm clock, you can see it's just it's like from the late 90s. It's just a century alarm clock. This display's getting really dim because I think it's starting to go out, but it still works, so it's all that matters. But over here, his closet, nothing special, just has a bunch of his toys in here and his superhero suits. Typical young kid stuff in there, I guess you could say. That room right there, it's locked. That's my middle brother's room. So I'm just gonna respect this. He never wants me to go in there, so I'm just gonna respect that and stay out of there. He just pretty much keeps all of his toys in there. That's about it. But you know, going over here, entering my room, come in here, you've got a train wreck through here, through this little part of it, and then you've got my computer area right here. It's just in screensaver mode right here. And then just a couple, an unplugged alarm clock, and then my primary alarm clock that I use. It's just excuse me, it's just a basic alarm clock. And then you got this thing. It's just the main audio center for my room. It controls all the speakers and stuff in here, which are hidden, so you guys can't really see them anywhere. There are also some speakers in there too. There's modes between that one and then the speakers that are in here. The other ones. Then I've got my homemade fire alarm control panel over here, which does actually work, but I just have it unplugged right now. But you know, it's just a basic LCD screen, and then controls in there and all the stuff, good stuff like that. It's got its own lock too. Whoops. There's key got stuck in there. But yeah, it doesn't. Here, let me get a better grip so it doesn't look like I'm faking it. It doesn't open, so we're good on that. Then I got the pull station hooked up to it through a low voltage wire that's rated 24 volts DC. Then I got my lamp over here, and then the light that's above my computer. Here in a second, I'm just gonna go into my closet. It's not locked right now because I unlocked it for the purpose of this video, but I'll relock it as soon as I'm done with the video. Anyways, so I just got my fire alarm manual book in here, instructions in certain fire alarm control panels. And then here's my closet. You guys can't really see it yet, but check this out. I custom built this. I built this all on my own, just so you guys know. It's an a custom electrical switch on the outside of my closet that I built for lighting in my closet. So I'll just show you guys how it works. You push this button and it turns on a fluorescent light that I have up there. And it's really cool because I'll turn it off now, and it flickers when it turns on. It's kind of cool. Turning it back on though, just full of a lot of trash that I really need to throw away, but don't really have time to do at the moment because there's a whole lot of it. Here's the here's the key from my closet. Let me just get this wire up enough so that it can close. Alright. It will close. There we go. Yeah, that didn't do what I wanted it to. Here. I'm gonna set you guys down for a moment. No worries. I just gotta close it really quick. That's not going anywhere. And the key. Oh, what the hell? Alright, let me put you guys down. It didn't lock for some reason. Alright, here we go. Alright, now it's locked. I just turned it the wrong way. It's good to go. I got that out of the way. Just go over some more stuff in here. Got my clock on the wall right there. My blueprint of the Titanic, which my brother gave to me. My fire alarm horn strobe. And my ceiling fan, which I had to actually replace the light bulb in last week because it went out. Got the charging area for my Kindle. You can see the USB, and then my headphones right there, and then obviously my laptop again, and then my Echo Dot right there, and then my thermostat right here, which I am planning on installing in my room here soon, or later, sooner or later. And then my headphones that I use to either block out the annoyingness of my brothers or to just listen to radio. But yeah, over here we just got a linen closet. Nothing special, just full of linens and a couple of miscellaneous things like signs and Easter baskets. And then you already saw the laundry room. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up the complete house tour. So I'm just gonna head downstairs really quick. Alright. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Have a great rest of your day.